Welcome to the new video. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to design digital clock in MS Excel program. Look at that, automatically the second and also minute and hour it is going on. So let's to start and design such a digital clock in a MS Excel program. For this you should come here and select one cell, and after this you should write now in the cell, and after this start a parenthesis and close it and then press enter. Now I have date, so I want to change the date to the time. For this I should click here, and also after this here we have time and select the format, and after this you should click on OK button. Look at right now I have time but it's not moving. For this we should use a coding system. For the coding system, just you should press Alt F11, and after this you should click on the insert and come here in module, and after this you should write here a code. The code should be like this one. Look at that one, you should write here. So step by step you should write, and also look at that. And after this you should paste it in here, and after that you should click on the run button, and after this you should click here on the close, and also after this here is the close button. And now right now look at that, my clock is running on. So this is an easy method that you can design a digital clock by this method. Thank you for watching.